Modern enterprise infrastructure does not live under one roof. Today's massive, mission-critical systems are inherently fractured across entirely different cloud ecosystems. You might design an architecture where the global e-commerce front-end relies on Amazon EC2 for compute. Your custom generative AI models train in Google Cloud's Vertex AI, but the financial transaction engine anchoring the entire operation sits in an Oracle Exadata database. Until recently, tying those three distinct environments together required engineers to build fragile, do-it-yourself network bridges. Relying on those legacy network setups brought two massive penalties: severe latency bottlenecks from routing traffic over the public internet, and exorbitant data egress fees charged every time data crossed a provider boundary. That barrier broke in April 2026. A new tri-cloud architecture standard has completely bypassed standard internet routing. By deploying physical Exadata child sites directly into your data centers and connecting them with AWS Interconnect Multicloud, enterprise architects can eliminate transit gateways and execute synchronous, zero ETL workloads across three clouds at once. The first mandatory step to making this tri-cloud integration work is dealing with the laws of physics. We must eliminate the geographic distance between servers. This diagram shows how Oracle solved that distance with the OCI child site. They physically deployed their own Exadata infrastructure directly inside AWS and Google Cloud data centers. When you provision Oracle Database at AWS or Google Cloud, your queries aren't traveling miles away to a remote Oracle facility. The database executes locally, sitting in the exact same availability zone as your application tier. Hardware co-location delivers the single most important performance metric for a database: native sub-millisecond latency between your Oracle tables and your AWS workloads. From an operational standpoint, you retain full administrative control. Database configuration, tuning, and management still happen natively within the OCI console. However, identity access management and billing consolidate entirely into the host provider. If you deploy in Google Cloud, you pay through a single Google invoice, eliminating the licensing penalties previously associated with running Oracle on a third-party cloud. Closing that physical hardware bounty is the strict prerequisite for building high-performance multi-cloud applications. But hardware is only half the equation. Having an Exadata child site locally is effective for a two-cloud pipeline. It does not natively solve routing for an application that needs to span AWS, Google Cloud, and Oracle simultaneously. This network topology map shows the pre-2026 reality. Linking those three environments required managing Border Gateway Protocol, or BGP, routes. You had to engineer complex transit gateways just to pass packets back and forth. Sending that traffic over public IPs meant getting hit with standard internet egress rates at every network hop. You paid a premium just to move your own data. That bottleneck was removed with the release of AWS Interconnect Multicloud. It completely replaces the DIY transit architecture with a managed, direct connection. This creates a highly resilient private backbone directly linking your Amazon VPCs to Google Cloud and OCI. It bypasses the public internet entirely. Structurally, this shifts the financial model. Instead of paying per gigabyte egress penalties, you operate on a predictable, single-fee pricing structure based purely on allocated bandwidth. Operationally, this means you can use Oracle Golden Gate to replicate data from an OCI database directly into a Google Cloud Exadata instance, while simultaneously serving transaction data to an AWS EC2 application tier, all over a dedicated private link. AWS Interconnect turns complex multi-cloud networking from a fragile engineering headache into a predictable, native utility. With the physical and network latency removed, we can execute a zero ETL architecture. We no longer need to build brittle data extraction pipelines to move information between these platforms. This split-screen logic flow illustrates the Google Cloud workflow on top. BigQuery can now query the Oracle database exactly as if it were local storage. There are no intermediary storage buckets involved. By piping live operational data straight from the database into Vertex AI, your custom machine learning models are trained on real-time enterprise data, completely avoiding the risk of relying on stale datasets. On the bottom half, we see the AWS side. Amazon Bedrock leverages that same native proximity. It securely queries the local Oracle 26 AI database directly from the US East region. Because the connection is immediate, you can execute retrieval augmented generation, or RAG workflows, utilizing Oracle's built-in AI vector search directly against your existing structured data. This seamlessly synthesizes Amazon's foundational AI models with Oracle's robust transaction engine without the data ever crossing a public boundary. True zero ETL integration removes the friction of massive data movement. It allows your engineering teams to deploy AI compute resources exactly where they are mathematically and financially most efficient. As this global topological map illustrates, the practice of restricting critical enterprise systems to a single isolated cloud provider is permanently over. The modern blueprint requires combining physical hardware co-location with dedicated high-speed multi-cloud interconnects. Mastering this blueprint frees you from managing basic network plumbing. It elevates the architect's role to focus strictly on strategic compute placement and application logic. But as these environments become more deeply integrated, a new challenge emerges: maintaining system resilience and preventing cascading failures across multiple providers. In our next architectural breakdown, we will tackle that exact problem by orchestrating full-stack disaster recovery and executing a true multi-region failover. Knowing how to build and secure these tri-cloud integrations is the definitive skill for commanding the highest tier of enterprise architecture roles today.